In a colorful valley nestled between candy-colored hills lived a tiny dragon named Dazzle. Unlike other dragons who roared or breathed fire, Dazzle had the most peculiar problem: he hiccuped fireworks. Whenever he got excited or nervous, pop! A burst of rainbow sparks flew from his nose. The forest critters adored it, but Dazzle didn't think it was special. "It's just a hiccup," he sighed. One day, a human girl named Airy, with twinkling eyes and messy braids, wandered into the valley. She was preparing for the annual Moonlight Festival, but had no lanterns or fireworks. Seeing her sad, Dazzle hiccuped pop! Kaboom! Lighting the sky with glittering colors. Airy clapped with joy. "That was amazing! Will you help me light the sky tonight?" Dazzle was shy at first, but as night fell and villagers gathered, he stood tall. One hiccup after another filled the night with wonder stars, hearts, even smiley faces danced above them. Everyone cheered. Dazzle beamed. Maybe my hiccups are special after all. Lesson: what makes you different might just be your brightest spark.